Hello guys, we are going to discuss what is signal R and what is the need of signal R. So what happens generally client send the request to the server and server send back response to the client. Okay, on next request again it goes to the server and again server send back response to the client. Now what happens when client send request to the server generate the HTML and send to the client. On next request again HTML response, and again if client send request to server, page refreshes and a response comes from server. So here is again and again when client send request to the server and server send back to the response to the client. So what happens, page refreshes again and again. So this is called the synchronous communication way, client server communication way. Now let us discuss what is AJAX and what is the need of AJAX. AJAX is used for asynchronous communication, and the client generates the request to the server. In case of AJAX, what happens? Client sends request to the server and it sends a response, but on next request, okay, this is the next request. But what happens here? The page do not refresh. Page remains same. Page remains same. But what happens? Only the requested content will come. Now this is straight. What happened? Request go to the server and requested content come. Page do not refresh again and again. In traditional way, what happens? Page refreshes when client send request to the server and request come back again and again. Page is refreshes and new HTML content is coming. But in case of Ajax, only the required content comes and page do not refresh again and again. So this is the concept of Ajax. What happens here? Client send a request to the server again and again to get the update. What So here server do not have the ability to send request to the client every time the client is sending request to the server. But what signal R do? Signal R uses WebSocket, event source, forever frame, and long polling, and this makes unable to communicate server with the client to send request to the client. It is now server with the help of signal R service is able to send request to the client. Every time server has an update and like new record is added, then it send notification to the client, or it trigger the function towards to the client. What signal R do? Signal R make a hub and make the connection with the all the clients. Now, anytime the server has an update, it can trigger a function client side, and so in this way signal R works. It creates the two-way full duplex connection. It creates two-way full duplex connection where anytime client can trigger a function of server and server can trigger function client side. Okay, so this is what signal R do. Thanks.